What's up, Indian coin holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm present with another latest update of Indian coin. My friends, at this time, what's going on in the Indian coin? What's the current price of Indian coin? What's the price changes occur in the Indian coin? Is the price moving upward? Is the price moving downward, my friends? Let me show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently at this time price of the Indian coin in the market is 1.37 USD dollar. 1.37 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Indian coin, and you can see here the BTC Bitcoin price of the Indian coin is very low, my friends. You know what, my friends, I'm looking the dream of 1 BTC to the Indian coin, my friends. Indian coin price will become 1 BTC in 2040. What do you think? Is it possible in 2040 to the Indian coin price become 1 BTC, my friends? Tell me in the comment box. This is just a joking, my friends. Anyways, if you look the price changes of the Indian coin, so as I told you, my friend, that the price changes is going wrong in the Indian coin. The currently price changes of the Indian coin is going downward from the yesterday. The price changes of the Indian coin is going down. So my friends, you know what, at this time the people are disappointed by the Indian coin. They understand, my friends, that Indian coin have no idea to take a pump, but they are wrong, my friends. They are wrong, my friends. You know what, every cryptocurrency is fast on for a little time. You can see here, if you look the previous changes of the Indian coin, the last 1 week in price change, you can see here 17.75% positive change occur in the Indian coin. So the previous changes is good, but now the current situation, every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time, and same like that the Indian coin also fast down for a little time at this time. So you have to hold. Does not mean that the price of Indian coin falls down for some time so you decide to sell. No, you have to hold for a long time. If you hold, you will get profit, and if you decide to sell, nothing you will get in the future, my friends. And you know what, my prediction about Indian coin is 100% positive. I believe that they will take a huge pump in the end of this month, my friends. In the end of month, there is a lot of possibilities to the price will pump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Indian coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.